morning, dear children. Today I am going to revise the lesson 5. E ki matra. E ki matra means symbol of E. Symbol of E means short E. What is the symbol of short E? This is the symbol of short E. E ki matra. The exam is coming. That's why I am going to revise this lesson 5 E ki matra. Okay, children. Where we have to put the symbol of short E. Well, we have to put the symbol of short E. Here, the left side of the letter, we have to put the symbol of short E. Left side of the letter, we have to put the symbol of short E. Like ha, he, ha, he. The left side of the letter, we have to put the symbol of short E. Here, the symbol of long E. The difference between short E and long E. The symbol of short E, we have to put the left side of the letter, and the long E symbol, we have to put the right side of the letter like this. Okay, like this. This is the symbol of long E. This is the symbol of short E. The difference between short E symbol and long E symbol is here the symbol of short E and here the symbol of long E. Okay. This is the example. Kitab, keyword. Kitab means book. Keyword dot, bulb, bill, chamta, chimta. Here no symbols. Bulb, here no symbols. Here it will become bill. Here the symbol of short E, it will become bill. Here also chamta, chimta, kisan, kila, chidiya. Kisan means farmer. Kila for chidiya, bird, hiran, deer. Okay. Here in your textbook, page number 19, read and understand. Padhe or samshay, some examples is given in your textbook. Ka, ki, ka, ki, ga, gi, ka, ki. Like that. Okay. This is the symbol of short E. Ka plus E, ki. Imli, tamarind, idli, gilas, tumbler, kitab, book. Okay. The next page, page number 20. Padhe or samshay. Read and understand. Hill, till, lick, milk, pin, fir, sil, din, sir, bill, gin, gir. Okay. Next, आइए वाक्य पढ़े. आइए वाक्य पढ़े means let's read the sentences. सियार का शिकार कर. सियार का शिकार कर. चिड़िया दाना खा. चिड़िया दाना खा. गिलास उठा. गिलास उठा. दिन निकल आया. दिन निकल आया. कीवर्ड बंद कर इधर आ. कीवर्ड बंद कर इधर आ. हिरण भाग गया. हिरण भाग गया. पत्र लिखकर पता लिखा. पत्र लिखकर पता लिखा. टाकिया पत्र लाया. नेक्स्ट वन शब्दार्थ मीन्स वर्ड मीन्स. सियार जैकल, शिकार हंट, चिड़िया बर्ड, दाना grains, गिलास tumbler, दिन day, keyword dog, हिरण deer, पत्र letter, पता address, टाकिया postman, सितार. Next one किताब book, बिटिया daughter, किला fort, Dahlia basket, kisan farmer. Okay. The next page number 21. E की मात्रा लगाकर शब्द बनाए means Make words by adding short e. E की मात्रा लगाकर शब्द बनाए. बल like बल, बिल, चमटा, चिमटा. बल, बिल, चमटा, चिमटा. ई की मात्रा लगाकर शब्द बनाए. Here no symbol. Here the symbol of short e. Here also the symbol of short e. Okay. Bal, bill, chamta, chimta. Already we have learned. I know you studied well. Galas, gilas, chadaya, chidiya, satar, sitar, dal, dil, far, fir, dabiya, dibiya. Next one, second question. अंग्रेजी शब्द लिखे. अंग्रेजी शब्द लिखे means write English words. Takkar means post office. Jawab answer. Sitar sitar. Chidiya bird. Takiya postman. Patra letter. Next one, question number 3. Jode milaye. Jode milaye means match the following. First one, book. Book you have to join to kitab. Join with kitab. Book, kitab, deer, hiran, bird, chidiya, postman, takiya, fort, किला, सिता, सितार. Next one, या से जोड़कर शब्द बनाए. The page number 21, last question, fourth question. या से जोड़कर शब्द बनाए means make words by adding ya. You have to join with this letter. Okay. Daliya, bitiya, batiya, dibiya. Like. Okay. Next page, page number 22. शब्द बनाकर लिखे. शब्द बनाकर लिखे means make words by adding la. La से जोड़कर शब्द बनाए. Like in the middle, you can see la is given in your textbook. Okay, you have to join to la. All these letters you have to join with la. Sila, kila, jila, khila, mila. Like all these letters. Next one, चित्र को उसके नाम के साथ जोड़े. You have to match the picture with its name. किताब, किताब. Here kitab, book. Gilas, kisan farmer. Chidiya, bird. Okay, children, this much surely in your textbook. Okay, this lesson, this much surely you studied well.